Hello everyone. One of many questions investor asked me specific in the last year, how I can calculate my return investment cash flow monthly. What is my reference point that I can look at? So usually what I say to them, look at booking.com or booking.ca or Expedia. So then you can see specifically from Cancun to Tulum, what is the booking rate, the percentage, the hotel, an average, how much they charge. You can see the pro and con. So you have an understanding of how much basically every month the owner of each unit they be rented. We have to say as a history that during COVID, Cancun, Maya Riviera, specifically Tulum, was with 65% of capacity rental monthly in the 2 years of COVID, which means we talk about 8% of return investment. And the 80% or the 65% in total, we are talking about around 19 days monthly rental. And this is conservative way, COVID time, people they don't know if they can fly or not. So let's start from the 65%. Okay, so we have 65% in between 2020 to 2021. Of course, we know that right now we are much above 65%. It's over 70% in the first 3 months of this year, 2022. We know that the average monthly is $118 US per rental for one unit. If you have 2 units, you can do the lock off, so the same unit you divide in 2, and then you can rent at the same time 2 different families. That's fantastic. And then we know that we have a 19 days average per month. What's the cost of an average good quality apartment, 1 bedroom? Around 45 or 50 square meter square, which would be 600 square feet, around 152,000 US. So if we divide it from the 365 days, okay, if we do 365 days per 65% of rental capacity annually, okay, so we have 237 days in 1 year that we rent. So we end up to have 19 days per month. You follow me so far? So if we have 237 and we multiply by $118, okay, we have a total of 27,966 annually. That's how you calculate your annually return investment. If it's a double up, because you will have 2 bedroom apartment. Make sense? This number 118 usually is fluctuated. Why? Because even between the 2 seasons, high season and low season, you're always going to put different type of price. Specifically, if you're going to manage on your own. If you do any put in charge and management, which they usually will charge between 22 and 25% fees, right? That's what they will do. Every month they will change the curve, so then you have a lease and a guarantee entry monthly. The only things you have to deduct from for the $152,000 is 6.5% of the fee to the lawyer that you have to pay to get the title, and then you have the electricity and the tax, which are only around 1%. On top of that, if you pay a couple months before, when you have to pay your taxes in Tulum City Hall, they will give you even 20% discount, but don't tell that I told you that. So that is your return investment, 27,966 with $150,000 US when you buy in pre-sale. And don't forget, we talked about already, let's say 30% of increase when this phase one, so will be over $195,000, your 30%. That's why you always buy in pre-sale, because you got already also the leverage. And specific, if you have more cash, you can add more discount because you pay a little bit more on front or during the year. But that is another phase, or you can look also other type of my videos where I can explain that. This is Daniele Sica, DS in Solution. Hope these tips will help you to make a decision. Right now is a good time to buy in Tulum, Riviera Maya. Any question? We're always happy to help you. Enjoy. Bye.